everyone, Mandy with Organic Mixology, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious dairy-free dessert drink that I'm calling the Almond Oy. Okay, so first grab your shaker tin and we're going to add to that a 1/4 ounce of amaretto. Next, we're going to go with 3/4 of an ounce of Ohm's dark chocolate and sea salt liqueur. And to that, we're gonna add 3/4 of an ounce of fresh coconut milk. Next comes 1/2 ounce of cold brew coffee. And for our base spirits, we're gonna do a split between rye and Jamaican rum. So we're gonna go 1 ounce rye whiskey and 1 ounce your choice Jamaican rum. So now that all the good stuff is in our shaker, let's add our ice and shake. Okay, fully blended. Grab out some stemware, because once again, we're keeping it classy. And top off of the shaker and just strain that in. Nice. Ooh, frothy. And here you are, the Almond Oy. Let's give it a taste. It's like an Almond Joy, but better because it's alcoholic. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please subscribe to Organic Mixology below and go to organicmixology.com to purchase Ohm dark chocolate and sea salt liqueur. Thanks, everyone. Bye.